I am excited to shop for myself. I used to not like wearing makeup at all, but then I started doing it and I realized it's kind of like art. It's like music, but on your face. My album, People Stories, is called People Stories because all the songs on the project are based on stories that people have told me. I got to like step out of talking about myself for a bit and be a storyteller. Making music is like capturing a feeling, and the more in tune you are with your own emotions, the more the music is true. I need this. Eye masks, because I'm a night owl. I stay up so late for no reason. Just to stay up. Like last night, why was I up at 4 a.m.? Doing nothing. I didn't need to do all that. Let's do a little concealer. I like having like multiple makeup routines based on like how beat I want to look. Because sometimes you don't want to feel like you have makeup on, but you want to have a little makeup on. That's such a like in-between feeling. That's why I like clean products. Fenty Beauty. I think beauty is like just an expression of your culture, an expression of who you are, an expression of how you feel. It's art. Okay, I don't know if you've ever tried this before, but they're like little soothing aromatherapy pens. I like smells. Smells are super calming, and I always like to smell good before I do a show. It makes me feel more confident and calm. I think scents, makeup, and mental health, they're all one. My self-love actually began, I think, in high school when I graduated, and I was like, I'm way too anxious to live the rest of my life like this. And that's when I started meditating. I found a 10-minute video on YouTube, and I remember I did the meditation, and I just started crying after because I had never felt that much quiet in my brain before. And I said, whatever this is, I want to keep doing this because this makes me feel like myself. Face masks. I like to do a face mask before the show, because once you put that makeup on, you be having that makeup on for like 7 hours straight. So you have to have a good undertone health. And drink water. It's not just by what you put on your face, it's what you put inside your body. Oh, I love this spray. I need this spray. Always need this spray. I feel like I'm doing ASMR. I'm like, your hair looks so pretty. People ask me what my hair routine is. I literally just put conditioner in my hair. I like I've been wearing my hair for a couple days look. I feel like it looks more natural because I don't get all ready every single day. And I like when people meet me for me to look like who I actually am. Well, today I'm getting ready for Head in the Clouds. I'm getting my look together, I'm getting my spirit together. I'm almost done getting ready. Most of my makeup I just finished and I'm doing my last touches. Right now I'm thinking about this sunscreen because I definitely need to make sure I protect all my tattoos. I feel like these glam moments are so important. They're like the last opportunity for you to just like sit with yourself before you go on stage. Okay. We're gonna have such a good show today. I was setting my intention. I said I want the show to be honest, raw, free, and expressive. I want people to leave the show being like, oh, I can do that. Like I could say that, I could sing that, I can be that. I mean, last night I was so nervous. I was so anxious in my head. And honestly, that's when I know I'm gonna have a good show, because that means I'm pushing through to a new comfort zone. Have a good show. Did you perform? Okay, have a good show. I always meditate before the show and I envision the performance, how it's gonna go, and all the best case scenarios. I think performance is athletic, so I'd like do my warm up and then I just laugh with my band. I always try to find a mirror and I literally stare at myself in the mirror and I go, you got this, you're amazing, you're beautiful, you're here for a reason, and then I go straight to stage. It works every time.
You hit me right when I needed the most. Who's gonna call when you need hope? How much longer till you're gonna come home?
I'm not on stage just to like entertain people. I feel like this is like a once in a lifetime healing experience. Like you will leave an UMI show feeling better, feeling like life has meaning, and I think the world really needs that right now. And it works, it works. What? This is good content.